Hi, this is Mike. Now, if you're getting unwanted comments or basically just want to turn the comments off on your YouTube videos, I'm going to show you how that's done. Now, this is a PC Mac version. I've got a separate video I've done for the smartphone come iPhone. Now, if you want to watch that one, then the link for that's down in the comments below. So let's continue with this one. And now we're on the home page of one of my channels. This is one of my travel channels. And what we're going to do here is to pick one of the videos here and then change the comments and ratings that we allow on it. So first of all, we're going to go over to the videos and put them in the order we want them. And that's here. And then we're going to go over to the, in fact, let's just resort that to the order I want. If we go over to the left-hand side, there's a little pen thing, which is the edit. And then we're going to go over and click on there. Now we're going to scroll down this page where it says show more, and then we scroll right down to the bottom, and there we have the comments and ratings section, and this is where we want to play. So you can see we've got various options here. You can see that I've got comments enabled, and I've got the moderation at basic level at the moment. Now there's various options. We can pause it, we can turn them off, and we can change the moderation alerts to nothing or to strict. But all we do, once we've done that, we go to the top of the page, hit save like I've just done, and then we are done. And that's how you do it. Simple as that. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, then please give me a like. If you found it really useful, please give me a subscribe as well. Thanks for watching.